chocolate. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I usually post on my channel Thursdays and Fridays? Thursdays and Sundays. I don't know if you can tell right now, I'm sick. Not doing the bestest. It is this nasty little throat thing that's got my mind all gobbledygook. But I got this box and I want to share it with you because it's sitting there and I'm looking at it, and it's like the more I look at it, the more I want to share it because look at that. What is that? What happened? Do you want to talk about it? You don't want to talk about it? I don't think we should talk. Can you not see this gigantic gash through my whole Ipsy box? I feel like, I don't know who delivered this. I don't think it was UPS. I think, oh, it says USPS. Maybe it was my mail people. I think they hate me and the amount of packages I get. But like, why? Poor little baby. Let's open it and see if everything's alive inside or not. Hi, I usually post. Let's do this. I am like exclusively using these tweezers because they're just right here, and it's so much easier than digging for my little cloud knife. And by easier, I mean faster and lazier of me. So, ta-da. Ooh, I'm not gonna open it there. We're gonna open it here, and I hope everything's okay. Like, right now in the comments, do you think everything's okay in here? Well, like, when I really go at it, it doesn't sound okay, but like gently moving it around, we sound, I sound terrible. The box sounds okay. So I'm thinking it's okay. Maybe. Let's open it. I have high hopes. There might be things smashed or destroyed, but through the whole freaking box. What happened? What happened? Maybe this cute little paper thing saved the day. Oh, I think I got my add-ons in here. I thought I was getting my hair. I thought I was getting my add-ons with my YENSA bag, not my Boxycharm. Oh, by the way, I probably totally forgot to tell you. This is my Boxycharm by YENSA. Boxycharm box. I get it once a month. I'll leave more in the description down below. Editing me should be like on her game and get that for you. Me right now is not so much there. But I did get some items, so it looks okay. Let me put this down and I'll go through the box with you. We're gonna go through, I'm gonna, together now, I'm gonna go through my box for March 2024, almost said 2023, oh my gosh. My Boxycharm by YENSA March 2024 items and review what I got. This item I did not pick. This was one of my items that was picked for me. Goodness gravy. It is the Earth Harbor Naturals. Oh, I do like their stuff. It's pretty good. I like it. It's the Luna Rain Photo-Resurfacing Night Serum. $49. I'm assuming it's you. This is it because it says Luna Rain Photo-Resurfacing Night Serum. $49 here. Seaweed, collagen plus superfruit acids. C active. Okay. Endow your skin with raindrops of moonlight magic. If that isn't the fanciest little fairy thing I have ever heard. It says gently shake. Now I want to know what it looks like. And then apply 3 to 8 drops to clean skin and massage in. And use nightly as often as needed. It's Slight tingling is normal, particularly for the first few days of application. Do you use it every day though? Because it doesn't really, this is nightly. I'm assuming every night. We are in a colored bottle, so I'm going to go ahead and assume that whatever is in here is reactive to light. Aloe vera, leaf juice, rosehip. Ugh. Rosehip is so good for my skin, but for my hair, like, it does good stuff too, but it leaves it smelling so nasty after like an hour of it being there. It just sucks all the bad smells in. Good stuff though. It's certified organic. Well, okay. I'm gonna have to see how this works. Yeah, I'm gonna be using that. $49 hairs, you bet your buns. This next item was also, is this it? This is it. Okay. Not as big, but still, it's okay because, so hear me out. It's from YENSA Beauty. It's the Super Serum Silk Concealer for $32. It's got vitamin C and E, ferulic, beculi, and 8 super black essence. I can't. Why do we have to, like, with all the, you know what, just your fancy names. Water is the first ingredient. That's all I want to know. The power of 8. You got black tea, black sesame oil, shiitake mushroom, black seaweed, chia seed, black raspberry, nettle, and black rice. It's a concealer. Well, it's a Super Serum Silk Concealer. I feel like I have been put in my place. Okay. Full coverage. Crease proof, I feel like, is just a big fat fib. If your skin creases, your products will crease with your skin, but that's just me. Oh, hi. So it says, blend Super Serum Silk Concealer around eyes over blemishes and onto redness to instantly even out your complexion and erase imperfections. Oh. Looks pretty simple. Very pretty. I love everything I've gotten from YENSA, so I feel like this is going to be a really good one for me. Oh, what shade did I get it in? Light 1. Yeah. I was like, it's a gray brand. Yeah. I like the kind of pinky undertone, at least from my mirror. It looks like it has. Hope it does. I've been looking for a pinky concealer because I don't have any, but I don't want to buy many anymore because I have so many. Many. The next item. Ooh, I picked these. I'm pretty sure I picked these. They're from Basic Beauty. It's a sponge set of 2. I guess I didn't realize I have a whole drawer full of like sponges I haven't used. I probably have like 3 or 4 of those packs that you can buy from Shop Miss A, the AOA sponges. I love those. Oh my gosh. They work so good. So go try them. But these are cool. It says $24 for these 2, but that's all it tells me. Nothing else. Take my beauty routine to the next level. I might. After each use, wash with mild soap and rinse thoroughly with water. Yeah, I might. I mean, I'm gonna use them, but like I might clean them every time. Sometimes I like use them and then let them chill and then like wash them before I use them the next time. So like technically they're drying out, but they're drying out with the product on there. I don't know how safe and sanitary that is. Probably not. You probably should not do that. Probably. The next item I picked, it's from GIRLACTIK. Not like I could talk to begin with, so I'm not gonna blame it on being sick. It's a fruit. You know what I'm trying to say, don't you? It's a fruit superfood scrub. If you read the description, I put everything I get in the description anyway, so I don't have to babble through this. You just like listening to me mess up my words. It's a full-size item, $26. Is this a body one? I thought it was a body one, and it looked bigger. But ain't that the prettiest little packaging you ever did see? Yes, it is. Oh, I broke the box. Not like it matters, because I want to use it anyway, but... Oh, that's not bad. It's a sugar face scrub. I thought it was a body scrub. I was excited. It looks pretty though. Okay, so for directions, you're going to apply the Fruit Superfood Scrub on your face in light upward and outward circles to clean or damp skin. So either or. Oh. I don't think I've done it on like dry. Yeah, no, I don't think I've ever done it on dry skin. Have you guys ever tried like body scrubs on dry skin? Well, I was gonna say lip scrubs, but no, I like wet. And then, that's a good question. I'm gonna try that. Thank you, box. Oh, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse well. So there's super ingredients in here. They want you to soak up with your skin. Just leave it alone. Oh, how much were you? 20? That's a lot for just a face scrub. $26. I have like the jars that you buy from like Target, Walmart, Ulta. I don't think Sephora has them. But like the jar scrubbies for your body, everywhere. Anyway, I'm pretty sure those are like $10. And I get more than what's in the tube. Anyway, on to this next item. So first of all, I love these. Very cute. They look, the color is very nice. On here, they look kind of like mint green, but maybe it's my phone. And then in person, these are the limiest lime greens I ever did see. That's lime right there. But I love stuff from SLMISSGLAM. SLMISSGLAM Stay Sparkly 3-piece green brush set. The weird thing is, it doesn't tell me anything about it on my Ipsy app. It says product information not available. So I don't know how much these are. You can never have too many brushes. And I think it's been a little bit since I've gotten brushes in my Boxycharm bag. So I think that's why I picked brushes for my Boxycharm. Also, I felt the need to struggle. Not only are they wrapped in here, they're wrapped here. And, ooh, these look beautiful. These, I don't think I use these as much as I should have use for. I wonder if I could like cut it down. Oh, that'd be terrible of me. But at least I get some use out of it. These, I don't like these, but I use these a lot. And then these I do use often. Because now I'm coming in with smaller little bits of product and spreading it and really taking my time. That's important, taking my time. Okay. So that's everything that came in my Boxycharm. Let me show you my extras. No, I'm not zooming in. Thank you. I was like trying to... Anyway, I got 2 add-on items. So I think they're $3.50 a piece. I'm not 100% sure. This one I'm not 100% sure I realized what I was purchasing. This one I love. I did. So these are little scrunchies. They're satin scrunchies from Kitsch. Box. Stop. Just stop it. Scrunchies. I cannot have enough scrunchies. I love my... There's 5 in here. I think last time I got like 3. And these are like $3.50 a piece when you do the add-ons. But these are so nice to my hair. Don't leave the little kinks on the end. The boxes are super safe. Really hard to get into. But here they are. Oh my god. Yeah, these are the little ones. They're not as big as I like, which is okay because I have a lot of hair and I have long hair. So I typically like the bigger scrunchies, like not that this isn't wide, but like the bigger fluff around them, the fabric, if you know what I'm talking about. it just, I don't know, goes well with my hair. This I feel like will disappear in my hair and then like I never see it, so it's okay though. I got 5. Oh my god. Yeah, and I'm taking these off right now because I will be using them right now. 5. I used to have more. I'm pretty sure a small human took some because I don't know where all of mine went to. But these are perfect, and most of my outfits include black, so this is gonna work out. It's gonna match everything because everything matches with black. Anyway, that's one of my add-ons. This other one, I'm gonna show you what I just saw in a minute, but this other one, it's a matte eyeshadow palette. I don't think it's shallow, but it's a matte eyeshadow palette from Lash Step. I don't think I've heard of that brand, but it reminded me of my KKW palette, but warmer, right? Seems a little fancy with like the shiny stuff around the colors and then the giant mirror on the whole bottom of it, but like I kind of want to try that. We'll see. I have things coming for that palette. You'll see. If I haven't already posted the video, you'll see, and then there's more after that. And let me just tell you, like, not the KKW palette. Did I say KKW palette? I feel like I did. The Skin by Kim palette. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Anyway, on to something more exciting, because we're at the end of the box, and the back of the box also has a hole in it. Look at this. It's got a hole. Not only, like, what? Did we spear it? It's a miracle this box made it to me. I am going to toss that immediately. But, wow. Everything that I got, I can't hold everything up, but... Oh, maybe I can. I lied. So I got some pretty cool stuff with my March Boxycharm by Ipsy 2024 Boxycharm box, March 2024 Boxycharm. Yeah, I said all the things. Oh my gosh, my poor little loopy brain. I am going to end this here. I do enjoy all my products, even the stuff I didn't pick for myself. I'm gonna use. Yeah, it's gonna happen. You can never have too many sponges or brushes, ever, ever, ever. I'm gonna go. I will catch you next time. If you have any remedies for sore throats, you let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.